You have no idea which kind of niche you should do on YouTube? Stay tuned and I will help you with kickstarting you on YouTube. Stay tuned at ZHT Media. Hello, this is Zachary from ZHT Media. Today I'm going to tell you more about ideas what you can do on YouTube. And last time I was talking about 5 things you should know before starting on YouTube. These 4 the things that I did on YouTube, and for me it's like I mentioned also in that video, it was a little bit of a struggle that I was not aware of, because the things that I brought on that moment was different kind of things, because I liked gameplay or gaming, I like some 3D printing, I like tech, I like different kind of things. But as I mentioned in that video, it's not always a great thing to cover on your YouTube channel. So you need to make sure that when you are making some content on YouTube, that you know what you are going to bring in the YouTube community. So that is something that you need to consider when you are starting on YouTube. But now today I'm going to bring you some ideas what maybe also can be good for your future YouTube channel. Maybe you are already vlogging and you pass by my video, and well, I can tell you about my experience, what I already did, so that you have your own path, your own journey on YouTube. YouTube is not that difficult. It's easy. Within less than 10 minutes you can record a video and then put it on YouTube. But if you want to do more with YouTube than only making videos and post it, and you want to add value to YouTube, then this can also give you some idea where else you need to think about. And I already mentioned that in the video. It's going about niches. You have different kind of niches. I can all mention different kind of directions, but then I'm not going to give you the ball on the football field where you can just play the ball into the goal. Well, maybe I can do that and you finish the game and you score, but we're all on our own journey on YouTube. So when choosing a niche, think about it. What do you like the most? It may be privately, you like creating some nice miniature models, model planes, maybe trains. You like maybe drawings. You really like to make art. Then you are going to make a vlog or a YouTube channel about creating art. You can make time lapse. You can make some how-tos about how you can create some nice manga style of drawings. I know a few people that draw very nice manga, anime, and you learn quite a lot from that. So when choosing to do something like this, you can look for a niche within that particular area. So that means that when you are going to draw, make some art, make some anime or manga or some other things, then you need to make sure that you know what you want to bring, and you can start really small. You start with just one topic, and then you make it in smaller pieces and make there 5 or 8 or 10 minutes videos of that. But you can also do some other things like how to work with a laptop or with computers, because it's obvious how a computer works for you, but there are also many people that don't know how a computer works, surprisingly. But like all people, or older people, I know a few that don't really do that much with computers, but in this kind of year, in this kind of time where we at, it's unthinkable not to use any computer. So you can teach some very basics of how to start your laptop. Okay, that's pretty easy, just pressing a button. But then you can also look for other things, some troubleshooting. I know my ways around with computers. For me, it's quite simple to do that. But for other people, it's not like that. So if you are one of these kind of people that know how it works, make there your channel about. Because where your passion is, there you can have your niche. Bring your knowledge to the world and share it. So that are a few things that I can give you when you are starting your own YouTube channel. And if you think about a long time distance, a long time period to make different kind of videos, for example, when you are working with a computer, you buy a laptop. You can make some video about it, which kind of budget laptops or which kind of budget computers you can buy. Well, if you don't have a very huge budget, you can also look for second-hand computers or second-hand laptops, depending on which kind of thing you want to do with this computer, this laptop. So there you have just one big topic to cover in just one video. So some simple basic things, 5 things you should know before buying a second-hand laptop or computer, or 5 things that you should know before buying a normal PC, which kind of screen that you need, or do I really need so much memory before buying a computer, or if I buy a computer, can I upgrade this computer? There are many things that you can just cover in 1 or 2 videos for only a setup of having a computer. It's simple for us, for me, for you maybe, when you are having a computer. But for other people that don't have it and they want to buy it, and they see a video from somebody on their smartphone and they are thinking about it, hey, maybe I should do also something with a computer or with a laptop, or maybe starting with 3D printing, which kind of laptop I need. So I also did one video of that, starting with 3D printing. What do I need? I need a laptop, I need a laptop or PC, and I need a 3D printer. What else do I need? Also not a filament, plastic that goes into the 3D printer. So these are all things you can think about when you are starting on YouTube. Then you can continue, which kind of software do you need, which kind of programs you can, which kind of programs are essential with starting on the internet, which programs I should have and which programs I shouldn't touch, because there are also many free software that you can download, but they are very bad for your computer. I know which files I don't shoot. I'm not click on it. But there are also people that just click on it because they are thinking that they need to do that, they have to do that, or else their computer is not working, because this advertisement is alerting them to do that. So that is in the direction of computers, laptops. But you can also make a channel about a car. A old car, a new car, doesn't really matter. But if you are one of the, this is just an example, if you are one lucky guy that bought a new Tesla or Lamborghini or a Ferrari, you can also make a huge channel about your experience with this car. What you need to know: did you took a loan for that? Did you you can go very far with this. So when you're planning buying a Jeep, for example, which things are needed for this Jeep, which kind of color you have, which kind of tires you put on that. So these are all things. And then when you are driving in it, what's your experience? How does it feel to drive in it? You know, you cannot literally say let people feel how the car reacts. But making a video inside of the car or outside of the car, if you have a GoPro, you can mount it on the car, and there you have some very much footage to share only in 1, 2, or maybe even 3 videos of this driving experience. Also washing the car, things that you should think about when cleaning the car, things you do normally for this car, you can share with the rest of the world. So there are many things that you can think about when you don't have any ideas. You just check, what is your passion? What do you like to do? What do you like to add as value to this YouTube community? So that being said, this wasn't just an easy on the go video. I had this struggle, and I don't want you to have the same kind of issues or same kind of struggle that I had. So that being said, thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, ZHT Media, bringing you new videos about creating content on YouTube. This is a video about my journey, but I like to share it with all of the world. That being said, I will see you next time, and hey, see you next time. Bye bye.